This is the IB low from yesterday. Adiron. We don't have an IB for today yet, so we use yesterday's initial balance until we have a new one. It's this level at 47.25. This red line right here.
Q just tapped on lower band.
That's 9:30 to 10:30 yesterday. Correct. That's the low. It's the IB low. We use yesterday's levels until we have a new one for today at 10:30. So we have another half hour. It's only 10 a.m.
Boom.
It's only been 30 minutes. Stream goes slower when you have a guest.
I just took that RTH lower band to RTH VWAP for 20 points. That was nice.
You got some good VWAP scallops here. A lot of breaks, back tests, reclaims. Yeah, let's be honest, guys. Let's do a little feedback. Thumbs up, thumbs down on the dual stream. We liking it? Are we not liking it? You won't hurt Chuck's feelings, by the way, if you say
nope, not one bit.
All right. Cool, guys.
Cool. Whoosh. 650 or 850.
Goldie's your hater.
Coming at it.
It's all right. You're welcome to have your opinions, guys. Absolutely. We won't take it personally. Chuck's also watching NQ a little more while I'm focusing a little more on ES. Do you guys find that distracting? Do you like that we're both watching both symbols? That would be good feedback as well. Would it be a little easier to follow if we were just following the same symbol? More opportunities. All right. Okay.
Mark, you can also adjust just my user volume.
Yeah, Mark,
you can
go in
crank
here.
mine up.
I'll show him. Mark, you go in here, go to each of our options, and then you could actually change the user volume and make them quieter or lower. So you can adjust that right in your own settings.
I did go long off of NQ lower band at 617. So let's see if it goes back up. Just
NQ
came
is
down
much
to
weaker. We have a big divergence here now.
Yeah.
Also, the goal is to be able to have Chuck share his screen too. We don't have that ability quite yet, but we're probably going to use some software that will make that a little easier for us to do.
There it goes. See if we can get back to VWAP. But we're still below RTH VWAP on NQ. ES is hanging out at point of control. Break through it. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. Let's go. Let's get to value area high. See you, JP.
A little bit of a fade here on ES on the delta, just volume kind of dissipated. And sellers are just kind of bleeding it a little bit here. Be right back.
So JP, which instrument would you rather have us trade and commentate on? Melissa, Chris is on the 1 minute for ES. I'm trading the 1 minute of NQ. Yeah. Gio, I think sometimes you got to be a little patient, especially when you're right around point of control. I'm looking for that push to the upside, see if we can get back up to Session or Globex VWAP. They're at 650, 25, 650 on NQ. ES looks like it's catching a bid. Both CBDs are going straight up. Oh, I did. I caught 40 points on that. So, boom. There we go.
The thing with, so I trade both ES and NQ. A lot of people in the room trade one or the other, or both. But just because we're commenting on both doesn't mean you should be trading both. I don't think that's the idea, JP. Like, you would still pick one. I wouldn't try and take entries on both. That I agree with. Yeah, we shouldn't be trading two symbols. Looks like it could be a bit of a breakout, huh?
I see it.
Well, we'll see if it holds.
In my personal style of trading, I'm watching both like a hawk.
Yeah, me too.
And very, very often reactions on ES to major levels will show up on NQ, and I'll take whichever one I'm trading.
Well, and also, Goldie, we don't want you taking, the idea isn't to take the calls from us. We're here to teach you how the system works and what the setups look like. This is not a signal service, so we're not, the purpose of the stream isn't so you can just follow along and take our trades. So if that's your intention, then you shouldn't be doing that in the first place. You should be learning how to trade and taking your own setups. If they coincide with what we're doing, great. If not, great.
I did it again, Chris. I'm playing the breakout.
Yeah, so far this is value area high.
Yeah. Not a great place to go long into.
No. It's not really a clean break, Nico. I mean, it's starting to look like it could break out. We're certainly putting in lower highs, but this thing could still pull back quite a bit before it does break, right? We form a pattern that we see very often in the indexes, the ascending wedge. And while I'm not a huge pattern trader, this pattern plays out all the time. So what we can see is this before it actually does go.
Oof.
Right? Just because
Seller
it's selling
shut up.
off here doesn't mean it's not going to break forward still in the near future.
Come on.
Okay, cool, Goldie. Just want to make sure. Because we do get a lot of people that are, you know, here just to try and take our trades, which generally doesn't go well because they're really tough to duplicate unless it's moving real slow and patient. And then just because we're taking it on stream doesn't mean it's going to be a winner. And then people get mad because they took like the one trade that was a loser that we called out. And okay, big sell off there. Did you get out of that trade, Chuck? Or are you still in it?
I'm still long. I got long at the back test of 68.50 on ES, and it was more of a VWAP scalp short than a quick bounce and go and reclaim VWAP.
Still looks strong.
Small size. Yeah.
Holding up.
Got a composite low volume node on NQ. We're above the weekly band. This could be a back test of the weekly band at 619. We're above RTH VWAP on NQ. Come on, buyers. They're trying.
They are. Delta
Right
isn't
on
all that
point.
convincing yet.
No. Now we're heading in the right direction. Let's go. The right direction for me in my trade.
Yeah, the middle's down here at 47. We're at upper value here. This is still the edge of value until we break out. But if you're lower, that's good. I wouldn't buy it here. This is a terrible place to buy it.
Yeah.
Because it's probably going to keep rejecting until the one time it doesn't, right? Already starting to look like a little bit of a rejection. We'll see. The delta isn't really confirmed. They could be picking this up on the bid here.
Buyers have arrived on NQ. Tick strikes lighten up. My favorite levels up there at 68.55 on ES and 665 on NQ. Oof. Snuffed.
Again. Right back to point of control.
Oof.
Very diddly on NQ. You know, I wouldn't expect any big moves here, guys, because we do have FOMC this afternoon. Yeah, that'll happen longer if you're looking for continuation in a balanced market. Yeah, Brian, welcome back.
Funny, Andy.
Yeah, great scalping if you're fading the edges of value, because we have a pretty clear distribution. Paying the bills.
So I added down there at the fade value area extreme at the lower band on NQ.
Yeah, that was good.
Put me in a better spot. So
played off to the tick. We get higher, back up to that upper band, up to VWAP again, or upper value.
be nice to see a coast to coast go from lower band to upper band.
I think you might be in luck. I don't know. We're pretty darn close. It's almost 20 points already.
Yeah, well, it's right at my average entry now. My average entry is right at point of control, which is not my favorite. You said something about middle diddle earlier.
Yeah.
So I'm in 3 micros at this point.
I have one long. It's 20.75.
That's a great spot.
Yeah. Down here, 20.75. My stop's at 25.5. And I'd like to get to 46, right below VWAP there. Pretty darn close. Here we go. And filled. Put me at 300 in profit so far. Slow trading these micros, but also so much easier to manage my risk.
Yep. Be the one, guys. Be the one.
So my risk settings for today and these 50Ks. $500 a day profit, $500 a day max loss. It will liquidate and block me if I hit either of those. I've blocked the minis. I can only trade micros, and my size is limited to 10 MES, 5 MNQ, and 5 MGC. And then I locked it out, so I can't change my risk settings. It is what it is. I'm up 300 across 5 accounts. It's $1,500. Because I'm copy trading, Gio. I'm trading 5 accounts at once. It's one thing, I'll be willing to lose one combine or whatever, swinging bigger size in a 50K or whatever. But when I'm trading 5 of them, it's a different story. So if we go over to my accounts here, these are the accounts. All right, so they're at 776. Traded 100 lots today already. Yeah, we're still trading in balance. Guys, careful on looking for breakouts and continuations because you're probably getting taken to the slaughter. Trapped left and right. If you guys want to be taken to the slaughter, we'll just go trade lean hogs. I do a lot of scaling in, scaling out. Layering, do a lot of layering. Thanks, Dave. I'll be here all week. Two drink minimum, absolutely. I'm gonna have Chuck come on early to warm the crowd up.
That's funny. Opening act. I get all the tomatoes. That way that people use all the rotten ones on me.
Yeah. Crowd warmer. I want them all primed by the time I go live.
Still want to see this break of VWAP. Got my hopium all warmed up this morning, Chris.
Yeah. I mean, it still looks... ES's spicy Dorito is looking quite spicy at this point, primed for a breakout. Look at this thing.
There we go. Give me a big push to 665. That's where my target's at.
I'm ready. I'm ready for it. I'm here for it.
Come on. Give me that fountain. Just boosh. Wick it. Wick me out. And then you can do what you need to do, and I'll look for the next setup. Come on. Wow.
Yes, is playing games. Still think it's going up. Just gotta be super patient.
I mean, I'm up 15 points right now, so just shooting for that 30-pointer. Be the one. Be the one. Zoop candle. Anthony, I have an indicator on my charts, and it has a line right there at 665, and that's just about the high of the RTH session. So I'm front running them sweeping the high at 9:47 this morning. Just have this VWAP to get through, which coincides with upper band and value area high on ES.
Buyers stepping into ES here.
Yeah.
Curl up. See if it breaks or just flushes everybody out.
That upper band on ES is a wall.
Yeah.
Gotta chew through it. Chip, 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 chip.
In 5 minutes time now, after the bottom of the hour, it released the let's get the weekly EIA.
A punch to the gut.
Crude inventory, to get distillate inventories forecast to build with 1.15 million to 5 million. Crude fishing inventory,
I don't know. Looks like it's getting bought up. We'll see.
private crude oil stock change. We showed it.
Got that composite low volume node right at 654. Holding me out.
Back to yesterday's IB low. In 3 minutes, we will have an initial balance. Right back to VWAP here. VWAP got bought.
Yep. Will it hold?